Hello everyone, this is Rashi Gaur, Global Consultant, Astrology, Numerology, Vastu and Feng Shui, and I'm here on the sets of SSBeauty talking about something very interesting. Festive season is round the corner. It is a time to open our doors to abundance, to socialize with our family and friends, and to attract all wonderful things to our lives and to dress up. What most of us don't know is that when we dress up, we attract that glam and glitz to ourselves. We are actually enhancing our Venus, the planet of love, luxury, beauty and riches. Find out how can you enhance your Venus by these beautiful tips that I'm bringing to you. How to work on your magic, how to bring out your aura as per your zodiac sign. Now let's move to the air sign. You're an air sign if you're a Gemini, Libra or Aquarius. Gemini, the playful one, ruled by Mercury, this is one of the most dual signs of all. This brings with it multiple personalities rolled into one. They are indecisive, youthful and free-spirited. This festive season, bring out your versatile side by adding a lot of vibrancy to your makeup. Don't be boring with your choices. You were born to experiment and explore. Choose fun colors. Hint, bubblegum pink or fuchsia for your lips, or emerald green and peacock blue for your eyes. Just choose one over-the-top element. You're the perfect one to do OTT like no one else. Your lucky day is Wednesday and your lucky colors are all palettes of greens and blues. In terms of your crystal, your lucky crystal is green aventurine. Libra, the lover, ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty. If it is not appealing to the eye, it won't work for you. Constantly seeking balance, your scales are forever tipping. Belonging to the air element, you also like movement, but this is more to the tunes of long drives. Curl your hair, use a heavy dose of mascara to bring out the beauty of your eyes. In terms of your lipstick, go bold, choose either pink or red, depending on which side the scales tip. But make sure that the heavy mascara and soft, dewy, beautiful eyelids dominate your face. Your lucky day is Friday and your lucky colors are rose gold, pink and sparkly white. Your lucky crystal is blue turquoise. Aquarius, the philosopher, ruled by Saturn, this beautiful air sign is brimming with creative ideas in their head, thinking ahead of others, creative, quirky, dreamy. You're constantly thinking of revolutionary ideas to change the world. One day you can be outwardly and charming and the other day you can be a total recluse. To bring out your aura in the most beautiful way this festive season, try and be more outwardly. So let your makeup light up that creative beauty. Play with colors, bring out your quirky self. If I were to suggest that one thing for you, it would be midnight blue eyeshadow and mascara. Your lucky days are Friday and Saturday, and your lucky colors are midnight blue, electric blue and blue turquoise. In terms of your crystal, try and bring lapis lazuli to yourself. Fragrances best suited to the air signs are anything which are airy, breezy and cool. If you've really enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. SSBeauty is your place to go.